Some experts in Pakistan have recently slammed the new Cold War attempt in Asia, saying what Asia needs is dialogue and development rather than conflicts.
A lot of countries in the Middle East have been ravaged by the war, economically, socially and politically, and they can learn from the ASEAN countries. In 60s and 70s, we have seen hundreds of thousands of people have died just because of the Cold War politics, just because of the bipolar politics, just because of the superpower politics. Now ASEAN countries do realize that they don't want to be sandwiched between the rivalries of the international powers. What the US or other major powers need to realize that instead of devastating countries in the name of war or for whatever reason, these smaller countries have to be made partners in trade, politics, dialogue and development so that it is good for the greater good of the humanity.
The issue is that we are heading towards a renewed Cold War, and in that developing countries are being dragged into. The question is that big powers like the United States, they create problems. For instance, they pushed NATO towards Russia, they pushed NATO towards the east of Russia in order to expose its eastern flank. The United States is responsible for death and destruction in Iraq, in Libya, in Syria, in Afghanistan. So almost 1 million people have been killed and no questions have been asked, no accountability. So while they want to promote quote-unquote democracy in the world, their own attitude in the international affairs is absolutely undemocratic.